Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951. I'm getting close to pulling the carburetor off. I wanted to show you what I've done so far. I backed off these throttle cables. You just take a 10 millimeter open end wrench, and it comes out of top and bottom. I went ahead so I wouldn't forget. I had some surveyor's tape laying around, so I put top. I do have a memory issue resulting from chemotherapy, so a lot better than I used to be though. So anyhow, okay, took those off. Now there's a, if you can see it, they go down there. I don't know, I haven't got them off yet, but I thought I'd pop the carburetor. When I pop the carburetor off, I'll take them out of their slots. It's I want to say it's like a fishing line, fishing weight, but it's round and elongated, and it slides into a hole, similar to the if you ever dealt with the saddlebags. There's cables that go in there. It's similar to that cable. Okay, number 10. Let's see. I marked that what it was. I kept this line on there, and that plugs in back here. I had to take the bolt out here for these coils, thanks to another YouTuber, because I hadn't a clue. I said his name on one of my videos, Gregory H, I think it was, and he's got an 89 or something Goldwing, and he's had it since new, and he's done all of his own work on it. So he's very knowledgeable, and one thing he does say, be patient. Patience is your friend on these, and he's right. So anyway, I had to muscle these around, shoved them down, and I finally got the reservoir, overflow reservoir out of there. That was a pain in the butt, really was. And had a fellow YouTuber not mentioned that. I don't know. Yeah, people helping people. That's what it's all about. Okay, I have these two lines. I saw another guy, Chris or C. Rice or something like that. Anyway, I mentioned his name on another one of my videos too. But he took his out off of these T's here, but I'm just following it down to these right here. I'm going to pull them off, and they're numbered. They're 18. Let's see. See, 18 and 19. And down here, these are 18 and 19. And it also says 20 and 21. So, but all I need to do to get the carb off is do the 18 and 19. So that'll be, a no-brainer. Don't have to remember anything. Just, connect the dots. I think I'm about ready. Instead of undoing this down here, I went ahead and took it off up here at this, up by the gas tank, this diaphragm here. So another no-brainer, and the clip easy to get to. I wanted to show you something else that, oh gosh, bear with me. I should let these guys get credit where credit's due. Okay, it was Clifford Rice. He has a lot of good videos on these GL 1500s. Gordon Robertson, he shows how to rebuild carbs. I won't be doing that, knock wood. And then Gregory H did the thermostat. And I wanted to show you what one of them said. He said, so I went and bought a long, bear with me while sorry about the camera work, but, always turn it off. Okay, you get a long Phillips, and it's, let's see, it's, anyhow, it's back. Shoot. Anyway, I already undid it, but there's 2 Phillips way back in there. And all you have to do is undo the top one, and which I've already done. There they are. Let's see if I can balance this. Let's see. There it is, right? Oh, shoot. Okay, right up there. Can you see it? Oh, shoot. This was my complaint of one of Cliff's videos. All I saw was his back. Okay, can you see it now? Let's see. Oh, shoot. Let's see. Let me look at the... Okay, it's right there. There's 2 of them. One, there's the bottom one, and there's the top one right there. All you got to do is loosen the top one. And then I took some. Then I think I have to do this hose and the one behind it. I'm going to try to pull the carb off of the boot before I do that. But I wanted to show you some tools that I bought when I was fixing the cruise control on my old 84 van. And they came in 3, and I think I got them from Harbor Freight. Okay, let me stand you up. And then I got to get up, so bear with me, people. These are worth their weight in gold if you just hang on, and they weren't too expensive. Oh, God. Arthritis. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Here we go. These, and they came in a set of 3. And they're dynamite for getting your hoses off. I've used them a couple times on this project. See, and there's one smaller one. And then what that one guy Chris was saying, he suggested getting a long needle nose. There's the long needle nose and some 45 needle nose. And that's what I'll be using as soon as I get to those 2 lines that I just showed you. So I found out where the leak was. And the leak, bear with me. Okay, the thermostat is right. Let's see, where is it? Oh, God. Okay. Let's see. Right in there where I have that towel. Okay, can you see it? Let's see. All right. Okay. All right, right there. Anyway, this connects to, goes like this. That goes up to your radiator cap, this one. These 2 go to the radiators, and the bottom one goes to the thermostat housing. Well, thankfully, the block isn't cracked or anything. What happened was, where the leak came from, the alligator clip, or whatever clip you want to call it, this was just, it wasn't on the pipe. It was just laying on top of the housing of the thermostat. And that's where my leak's from. So as long as I got the bloody thing out, I've gone this far, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to replace the thermostat. I'm just going to take the second step, or third or fourth, whatever it is, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the thermostat. So I went over, and I hope this helps somebody, because YouTube has really helped me a lot. And thanks to the people that share what they've learned and their expertise. So that's it. Take care. Stay safe. Please get vaccinated. We got to get this through this thing. And as soon as it's available, I'm going to go ahead and get the third shot. So, okay, people. Take care. Stay safe. One other thing. If you want to leave me some feedback, what would you do? My favorite bike ever, and I've been riding for 60 years, and I've had 8 Harleys. I got tired of, sorry Harley people, but I got tired of breaking down, even with a brand new 1980 right off the showroom floor. Broke down within 4,000 miles, and I just got sick and tired of the breaking down and having to get picked up by a pickup truck, taken home. And so I bought a Valkyrie, and I kept it for 15 years, and life changed, and so I sold it. I wish I still had it. So that's why I bought the Goldwing. The Goldwings are not as expensive as the Valkyries. Valkyries are holding their value a lot more. It was a sweet bike, dependable, super dependable. I've only put 78 miles on this Goldwing. I put 6 miles the day I brought it home on it, and with no rear brake. I came home, parked it. There was the leak. The guy told me it had a leak. He thought it was in a plastic piece. Well, I just shared with you what I found out yesterday. So I rebuilt the rear brake, the rear brake gizmo, and I had to take half the bike apart just to get to that little 3-inch piece. Master cylinder, brake master cylinder, rear brake master cylinder. And so anyway, what a pain. So, and as I said, I put it back together. I drove it up to the DMV, transferred the title. I put 70 miles on it that day, came home, and I started putting it back together, and then I thought, nope, nope. I'm always going to be wondering where that leak is, and who knows, I've run out of water and blow the engine or something. So here we go. So, but this thing purrs like a kitten. It does. It only has, for a 6-cylinder boxer engine, it only has 47,800 miles on it. That's nothing. You'll see these old things up for sale, and they got 150, 200,000 miles on them. They just go and go and go. So that's what I'm doing. Let me know what you would do. Would you start eliminating a lot of the plastic? That's what I'm thinking of doing. I'm going to eliminate the plastics where I can. I might even cut into it. Yes, I'll lower the resale value, but this will more than likely be the last bike I ever buy. I'm going to be 70 in a couple of weeks, and it is a comfortable ride, but I don't feel the wind. It's nice to have a windshield though. Anyhow, okay, that's it. I've gone over way too long. Thanks for watching. One of these, please subscribe, and let's see if I can get this thing back together. All comments are appreciated, good or bad. And yes, I know my camera work isn't great, but my originally I wanted to make some money, but that ain't gonna happen. So hopefully I showed somebody something. If it's only one person that gets they get that, oh, so that's what you do, that's worth it. Okay, take care, stay safe, shiny side up, subscribe, please, tell a friend, bye.